If you have a Jura espresso coffee machine like this Super Automatic E6, hopefully you're using the Jura smart filters. If you don't, you're going to get a lot of lime and scale buildup, and it's really going to cause you a lot of problems down the road. I know these filters are expensive, but they will save your machine. Now in this video, I'm going to show you this filter is totally used up. I'm just going to show you how to replace your filter, and in the end, I'm just going to give you a quick little tip after you replace your filter. So let's get started. So this is just a close-up. As you can see, the little picture of the filter right there is all solid red. That means the filter needs to be changed. We're going to go ahead and remove the water reservoir and dump out all the water remaining in the reservoir. Now we can go ahead and remove the filter. And as you can see, this is actually a filter extension. So you're going to pop off this lower part of the filter just by lifting up on this tab. Just like that. Take your new filter and pop it back in place. And it's a little easier to kind of go in at an angle than trying to shove this straight in. So just go at an angle, bring this down, and you'll feel it snap in place. Just give it a little tug to make sure it's locked in place. Now you're going to slide the filter down into your water reservoir, lining up those, we'll call them fins and slots. And then you're going to go ahead and turn the top until that tab locks in place. Now go ahead and fill your water reservoir. Install the water reservoir. We have a message that says open switch, so we're going to go ahead and open. And this is actually rinsing the filter. This will take about a minute and a half, and you'll see the progress bar going across right there. And now we have a message that says close switch. Well, the filter rinsing is complete. First cup of coffee after I put a filter in, even though it's done its rinse cycle, I just do a normal coffee cycle. I'm going to let that fill all the way up, and I'm going to dump that one down the drain, and then I'm going to drink the second cup. And now your espresso machine is ready for another 2-3 months of use. Now, a couple of tips that I can give you, just my own personal preference. I always throw out the first cup I make after I change the filter. Always use Jura filters, do not use those off-brand filters. And if you put your filter in your reservoir and your lid doesn't close all the way, you probably just need to turn this just a little bit. There's a little slot on top of here that may hold up this lid. Sometimes you can turn it, it locks into place, but that slot is so tiny it just needs a minor adjustment. And this lid, you should not have to push on this for this to close. It should go right down. Now you know you've got it installed perfectly. Hope you guys found this video helpful and informational. I'll put a link in the description to get the filters off Amazon. And I thank you for watching.